Good afternoon, students. I will discuss today few integration also. Okay, that is um, standard integral. All of the formula no already discussed in previous class. Standard integral formula integration dx by dx by x square plus s square equal to 1 by a tan inverse x by a plus c. Okay, integration dx by x square minus a square 1 by 2a log x minus a by x plus a plus c constant. Okay, all of the formula, various type formula. Okay, already discussed in previous class. Now write dx to one sum, right? Integration dx x square plus 8x minus suppose 15. So plus 15, suppose plus 15 is there, okay, right? Plus 15. How to solve? See, dx by, so you can add x square plus 2 into x into 4, you can write no? 4 whole square, 16, right, minus 1, so 15 is coming. So then it will be integration dx by, so x plus 4 whole square minus 1 whole square, see? You consider x plus 4 equal to z. So you get this one, see? So 1 by 2a, 2 log of x minus a by x plus a, okay? Plus c. So write 1 by 2 log x plus 3 by x plus 5 plus c. This is the answer. Solve, remember the formula. Okay? Now, suppose I am showing, look at here. Number 2, right? Suppose dx by root x into x minus 1 is given. Root under x into x minus 1. Here you put any one z square. Suppose writing x minus 1 equal to suppose z square. So write dx equal to 2z dz, right? 2z dz by root x, okay? So x you write here z square plus 1 and this is z square root under, see? X minus 1 z square, so it will be only z. Both z cancel, no? So 2 integration dz by root under z square plus 1. Okay? This formula all of you know. What the formula? Tell 2 log z plus root under z square plus 1 plus c. So write 2 log, just put the value z is there, root x minus 1 plus root x plus c. Okay? Do now. Again. Suppose integration dx by root x minus alpha into x minus beta is there. Similarly, put any one z square. Okay? So let x minus alpha equal to z square is right. So dx equal to 2z dz. Okay? Now put 2z dz by x minus alpha z square, okay? So write z square and x minus beta. So here find the value of x here. So x will get z square plus alpha minus beta, okay? Now 2 take outside. This z square will be z. See, this z square, it will be z. 1 z is cancelled out. So write dz by root under z square plus alpha minus beta. Okay, so 2 dz by, yeah, right, z square. Suppose alpha minus beta, you write this case constant is there, right, k square. So it will be 2 log z plus z square plus a square, this is k square plus c. Now put the value z root x minus alpha, and this will be k square will be alpha minus beta equal. So the answer will be right, 2 log z root x minus alpha plus z square x alpha and beta, that will be x minus beta is there plus c, right? Okay. Okay. Next. Suppose integration dx by x minus 1 root x is given. Whatever root is there, just you put z square. Okay, whatever root is there. So write x equal to z square, right? So dx equal to 2z dz. Now write 2z dz by, okay, 2z dz by x minus 1. So z square minus 1, and it will be z only, z cancel. So 2 take outside, dz by z square minus 1. That is 2 log 1 by 2, you know, yes, 2 z minus 1 by z plus 1 plus c. Now put the value log z is there, root x. So root x minus 1 by root x plus 1 plus c, like this. Okay? If the sum is like that, see, suppose integration root a minus x by a plus x dx. How to solve? So you have rationalized numerator both the sides. Okay, so it will be here a minus x by root under, right? No, you can write x square dx. Yes. Now, yeah, we can write integration a by a square minus x square dx minus x dx by root under a square minus x square. Okay. The a here, that is sin inverse x minus sin inverse x here 2 root plus root a square minus x square plus c. This one, a sin inverse x plus root a square minus x square plus c. You put a z square, you will get this part. Okay. But a sin inverse x plus root under a square minus x square plus c. Okay. Now, see, next one. Suppose integration root 10x plus root cos x dx. See, you can write here root sin x by cos x plus root cos x by sin x, no, dx. Okay. Now here just sin x plus cos x by right root sin x into cos x dx. Okay, understood? Now, so all of you know that sin x cos x, that is 2 sin x cos x, sin 2x, no? So right, you put some multiplied here, root 2. So now write root 2 again sin x plus cos x by, you can write no 2 sin x cos x. Then both sides 2 multiply root 2 dx. Now root 2 into here sin x plus cos x by, you can write sin 2x, no, dx. Okay, now root 2 take outside, sin x plus cos x. Now writing only this one, sin 2x you can write here, root under c 1 minus sin 2x you can write, no? Yes. Now root 2 sin x plus cos x by 1 minus, so 1 minus sin 2x, you can write sin x minus cos x whole square, no, dx. You put this constant z, so you will get numerator. See, equal this is z, sin x is cos x, and cos x minus sin x, so your positive is there. Okay, now you consider this is z, so root over 2, it will be sin inverse z. Understood? See, dz by root 1 minus z square, integration dz by root 1 minus z square. What is the value? It will be sin inverse z. So write sin inverse sin x minus cos x plus c. This is that. So 2 root over 2 sin inverse sin x minus cos x plus c. Okay? Now copy. Okay? Now suppose I take say integration sin x by sin x plus cos x dx. Okay, integration sin x by sin x plus cos x dx. Okay. Now write half, you can write 2 sin x by sin x plus cos x dx, you can write now. Okay, now half, you can write here, so sin x plus cos x minus, you can write cos x minus sin x, you can write, see, 2 sin x is there, so sin x plus cos x minus again cos x minus sin x, both cos x cancel, both minus minus plus is there, that is sin x to sin x. Okay, so write sin x plus cos x dx. Okay, take half. Now this always said this by this, so only dx now, minus integration again cos x minus sin x by sin x plus cos x dx. Okay, equal to half. So it will be x now, integration dx means x minus, if we consider this is z, so this part will be dz. Look at here, let sin x plus cos x equal to z. Understood? Dx cos x. Cos x minus sin x. So dz by z. This is log mod z. Okay. So write log mod sin x plus cos x. Okay. Plus. You will be at home. Similar type of sum is there. Suppose cos x by sin x plus cos x dx. This is the homework. Integration cos x dx by sin x plus cos x. Okay? Again, next. Suppose integration, right, dx by x to the power 4 plus 1. Solve. Integration dx by x to the 4 plus 1. See, you can write here half to x4 plus 1 dx you can write now. Now half 2 you can write x square plus 1 minus x square minus 1 by x to the power 4 plus 1 dx. You can write through now half. So here x square plus 1 by 4 plus 1 dx minus x square minus 1 by x square 4 plus 1 dx. Okay? Suppose this one I am writing half. Suppose I1 minus I2i. First and the second integrate. Okay? Now this one first. Suppose I1, how to integrate? X square plus 1 by x4 plus 1 dx. So right here, take x square common is there. So write 1 plus 1 by x square you can write. Here. Now here, x square plus 1 by x square. Okay, dx. Here take x square common. 1 plus 1 by x square. Here x square come down. X square plus 1 by x square. Now see integration 1 plus 1 by x square. So this one I am writing x minus 1 by a whole square plus 2 you can write no. See. Now x minus 1 by x you will suppose consider z. So you will get this one dx now 1 plus 1 by x square dx. So dz. So write dz by z square plus 2. So 1 by a root 2 whole square you can write 2 root over 2 whole square. So 1 by a tan inverse z by a. Okay, plus c. 1 in this also left. Okay, so tan inverse z by root over 2. So z value is there x minus 1 by x. So we are getting 1 in here. Right, so writing here 1 by root over 2 tan inverse z. Z means x minus 1 by x. X minus 1 by x by root 2. Suppose C1 right, C1 plus and now here minus is there. Okay, wait, half also there too. Okay, acha, wait, half, right, half of this part. Again, wait, the next one this get I1 is this, okay, and I2 is there x square minus 1 by x to the power 4 plus 1 dx. So you can write here 1 minus 1 by x square by x square plus 1 by x square dx. Okay, so write integration 1 by x square here a plus b whole square, right, minus 2ab 2. Suppose this is constant p, you will get dp, this is dx. Okay, now x plus 1 by x is considered p, so you will get this is dp. Okay, so dp by p square minus 2. Okay, so 1 by 2a, a means root 2 log p minus a by p plus a. Now put the value. Okay, so half again here also 1 by 2 root 2 log p minus root 2. P means here x plus 1 by x. Okay, x plus 1 by x minus root 2 by x plus 1 by x plus root 2. Okay, mod, and also half is there, you multiplied half 2 root 2 and 1 by 4 root 2. Okay, so leave this one here half, so here will be 2 root 2, here half is there 4 root 2 plus this, and last right c1. Okay, so sorry, here minus also there, no, so why this is minus sign is there. So like that you can solve. Understood? Big sum, the 6 marks sums also there, either 4 or 6 marks in board exam. Understood? So next one, see, suppose integration x square plus sine square x by 1 plus x square into sec square x dx. How to solve? Very easy sum. So right, x square plus sine square x, we can write 1 minus cos square x now by 1 plus x square into sec square x dx now. So now write x square plus 1 by x square plus 1 minus cos square x by x square plus 1 into sec square x dx. Okay, now this is 1 no, 1 minus cos square x by x square plus 1 dx of sec square x dx. So write integration sec square x dx minus cos square sec square 1 is there no, so integration dx by x square plus 1. So write it will be 10x minus tan inverse x plus c, right? Okay. Okay, and at home you will do root tan x dx. This is the homework. Integration root tan x dx. Okay. once I am showing this one, say, suppose and shortcut method is there. So 2x plus 3 by 3x plus 4 dx. Your direct answer to know for MCQ type question is there. So 2 by 3 coefficient x, here 2, here coefficient x, that is 3 is there. So write 2 by 3 of x plus, right, cross multiple 9 minus 8, see, 3 into 3 9 minus 4 into 8 by x को भी down numerator 3 is there, no, so write 3 square log of, okay, 3x plus 4 plus c. So here 2x by 3 plus 1 by 9 log of 3x plus 4 plus c. Remember, 2 by 3 whole x plus 9 minus 8 by square 3 square x को भी, that is 9 log of down part 3x plus 4 dx. Keep in mind, okay. Suppose again for MCQ, keep in mind, board exam don't give the marks. They will not give the marks. Just you have to solve. So 3x plus 4 down in z, then you put the value. Okay. Suppose 3x plus 5 by 2x minus 3 dx. So write 3 by 2x plus 10 minus 9 plus 9, that is 19 by 4, 2 square 4, no? 10 minus or minus 9, that is 19, 4 log of 2x minus 3 plus c, like that. Okay, no more today, again next day, various type of integration, that is harder problem discussion, okay, bye, no more today.